What's happening, party people? In this video, I did a review of a newer DeWALT shop vac. This thing is super quiet. The pros of it is it has awesome suction. It is super quiet. It's a little smaller than a lot of shop vacs. It's stable, and the quality built of it is just tremendous. The only, I guess, downside I would say on it is it didn't come with too many automotive attachments, kind of specialty, which is not really a big deal. Those can be purchased separately, I believe. And it didn't have an exhaust for blowing, but I have a blower for that. So my wife absolutely, I don't know, I would say loves having a clean car. So she vacuums often, and this was the ticket that she's been looking for. Since we've had it a couple weeks, she's probably run this thing 20 hours. Just turn it on and it just keeps going, sucking up everything that she can find to clean that thing with. Her level of clean is different than most people's level of clean. In this video, I unboxed it, I operated it, I showed some of the suction power of it. I vacuumed up some headliner foam, kind of almost like sawdust with it, and I let you guys see the noise level with the actual noise level meter. This thing is so quiet, it functions just as quiet as people talk with their normal voice. So very quiet, very powerful, pretty compact. She rarely used our big one because it's so bulky. She uses this one almost every other day. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. And if you want to purchase one of these, the link for a purchase would be in the description area. Check it out. Uh-oh, got a couple packages in the mail. I got this DeWALT. Is it a wet dry vac? 4 horsepower, quieter motor, 6 gallons, 3 times the lifetime to do a review on. That's the model number there. So this is a vacuum cleaner, as most people would know, as I mentioned earlier. Now, when I bought a vacuum cleaner a few years back, I wanted a shop vac. However, life's on a budget, so I wanted to get the biggest bang for my buck. And I wanted to make sure I had one that had sufficient vacuuming power so that I can suck up everything that the vacuum cleaner would reach. I wanted to get like a 6-gallon one, but man, the 6-gallon ones were 80 bucks and the 16-gallon ones were 30 bucks. So when the 16-gallon ones went on sale, wet vac, opted to get that a lot cheaper. I've seen one of these before. My friend has one in Vegas. I really like these vacuum cleaners, and this one says it's a quieter functioning vacuum cleaner. I'll probably buy car adapter kit for it because it probably doesn't come with that. That's a wide floor piece there. You got your what feels like a heavy-duty hose, man, and it's pretty long. That's gotta be a 6-foot hose. Let me see if it's taller than me. Man, that thing reaches the ceiling. That's almost a 7-8 foot hose. Look like it has hose adapter. Another hose adapter. Yeah, you can reach some spots with that. And then of course, the vacuum cleaner. Let's open it up. Probably has some more things inside. Oh yeah. It's got some more adapters inside. It's got a crevice tool, a little wide, but that's good for vacuuming in corners. Has a filter already on it. Maybe some kind of carrying bag. This is a vacuum cleaner bag for it. Wow, that's nice. I think a wet vac little filter thing. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's attachment to get in between the two hoses. It's got casters, 4 casters, and it's got a hard floor adapter. So that's what we have here. This is a vacuum, not a blower. So we'll do a review on this soon. time to get back to work. Very easy to assemble. It had a packet of screws in there. They're Phillips screws. I flipped the machine over, as you can see. Set the wheel casters on there and they screw in very easy. Screws are in. This machine feels heavier than my 16-gallon rigid. There's the specs there. So we're gonna untie the cord, hook up the hose, and see how it vacuums. These are the attachments that came with it. Probably has a car attachment kit that you can purchase with it, so we'll check on that. Plugged it in, and it is very quiet. I think the suction is louder than the motor. I'm down here in my work area. As you can see, engine parts, other things like that. And I'm going to do a quick little demonstration review of my new DeWALT super quiet shop vac compared to my rigid. This rigid's like 16 gallons and this one here is 6 gallons. And man, I am shocked at the power and the quietness. I was so impressed. I went and got a sound level meter so we could measure the sound. So the first one I'm gonna do is this rigid. I'm gonna turn it off and on and read the sound with the gauge without the hose. Then I'm gonna put the hose on, show you it sucking up some of this headliner foam, and then I'm gonna do the same with the DeWALT. We'll see the sound level differences and the sucking power differences. Here's the rigid. I'm gonna hold it about 2 feet from it, turn it on, and let's get it on here. It's set to fast. I'm going to put it on slow. You can see the sound level is popping around 66 with me talking, 49 with it quiet because the AC is on. But that's going to change real quick when I turn it on. Let's do it. Right at 87 without the hose on. Let's hook up the hose. Now that we have the sound level, let's see how it sucks up some of this with its little scuttle attachment here. So let me put this on here and put it on. Now, one of the main differences between this rigid and this DeWALT is the rigid also has a blower on the back and it has a drain port there. So let me go ahead and turn it on and let you see the sucking power. Okay, we're going to turn on the DeWALT and see how loud it is. I'm going to hold the mic about right here. That's about the same distance as from the rigid. There it is without the hose, and there it is with the hose. My speaking is actually louder than the vacuum cleaner. Let's put the attachment on and watch it vacuum. Now, both of them are wet and dry vacs. This one does not have a blower, but it has some nice attachments. It's smaller. I don't know if it's lighter or not. Let's see. Yes, it's definitely lighter. Easy to move around. Quality seems second to none. Man, if you can afford one of these, get one of these, hands down. So there you have it. A shop vac that's quiet and somewhat compact. If you made it this far, I trust that you found some information that was either useful or entertaining, so go ahead and hit the like button. And if you would like notification of future videos that I post, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. You can follow me on other social media apps by looking for @RobertDIY. Some form of that should bring up the other channels that I have on places like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. If for some reason you need some more personal help, go to my website at robertdiy.com and use the phone number that I have posted there to send me a text message, or you can email me. If you have questions or comments, please make a comment below. And if you'd like to make some kind of financial contribution to what I got going on here, go to my channel and hit the more link at the end of the introduction statement, and it'll show you different ways that you can support me financially. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.